Okay, so last time I tried using the data.binary.get monad to to parse out the location, and that didn't work because the only thing that you can that's available, the only functions that are available in this package are for words, so it doesn't actually like convert bytes into floats or integers or anything like that. So I asked around on the Haskell channel on Freenode, and someone was able to point me to this library, or sorry, package. And yeah, it seems to have every like the exact thing that I want, which is just um, parsing parsing floats. This is pretty much it. This is exactly what I want. I am kind of mad about pulling in another dependency, but it makes life a whole lot easier. I would have to cast this anyway. So if I were to do get word 16, that it would still work and it would like match and everything. The only problem is that I would have to like convert it into a float myself, and I don't feel comfortable doing that. Oh, and I also looked at this Atto parsec library, and um, yeah, I don't think this is what I'm supposed to use. So I'm gonna pull this dependency in. Oh, I should have done this off camera. Crap, I keep forgetting. Data binary, this thing. That's what I need. Ooh, it's really warm in this house. Yeah, okay, I'll just pull it in. Pull install that. Or I could have just put it in the actual Cabal file, and Cabal would have taken care of it for me. This is 044. Oh, that was fast. Oh, I probably forgot a comma somewhere. Doesn't look like it. Oh, that's why. Okay. Yeah, this works. What do I need to do? I need to get a float. I need to return float. Sorry. Import data.binary IEEE 754. I need that, and I also need data.binary.get. I think that's the package name. Oh yeah, that is the module name. Import data.binary.get. Using all the functions that I need to work with. And I can just do prefix, and then what do I do next? I need to pull up that thing again. AR. So it's 16, then the X, and then the Y, and then a 0 of 5. And it's a 5-byte integer. What? No. It's a 4-byte integer. I hope he's right. Because earlier, like I had to commit something to fix that because there was something wrong with this, and yeah, it didn't make sense. What am I doing? I need to get the X position. X pos is get float 16 little endian. From here. Oh, lowercase. Cool. Now I need to do Y pos get float 16 LE. And now what I need to do is check if the prefix is right. If prefix equals location prefix. Oh, that's not right. That doesn't seem right. Oh, whatever. Then return X pos, Y pos. I also need to do this as well. I need to get word 32 if it's 4 bytes. Hopefully it is. Oh, it needs to be 0. Suffix. Location suffix equals 2 lazy byte string. This is kind of tedious, writing this over and over again. Word 8, 0. See if that's the way. Yep. No. No, that should be word 32. Hopefully they have it right. So let's just count this out. So you have 16, 1 byte, and then 8 byte. That makes 9, and then 17, and then 8, and then 21. Okay, that makes sense. Why would they make it? Oh, I guess if he wants to add additional information later on. Word 32 makes sense. Okay. Else. L. Oh, I need to set. It's little endian too. And suffix equals location suffix. Oh yeah, fail is a function that gives so it takes a string, as you can see on the bottom. It takes a string and then it returns a monad A. So it's just like it's an easy way to fail out of a parsing. It was easier than I thought. To be honest, Haskell in general is easier than I thought. Like I thought it would be way more difficult to do something that's complicated. But I guess I haven't done anything too complicated. Like when I start messing around with like player state. Oh, that reminds me. I'll do it later. But like when I start messing around with player state, it'll get a whole lot difficult. A whole lot more difficult. I need to copy paste that thing. What am I looking for? I'm looking for position. Send Is this it? Oh, this is sending the mouse coordinates. Oh, this looks somewhat right. Yep, it looks like it. There's an 8. There's a 64. That doesn't make sense. Right, right. Uh, I'm looking at 16 bits. I should be looking at 64 LE. Yeah. Sorry, I was thinking of. Yeah, that was dumb. No, it's 8. 8 times 8 is 64, right? Basic math. Yeah. Um, yeah. Word 32, yep. And a single byte. Yeah, that's the one I'm looking for. Set uint 8. And I don't care about the suffix. This needs to be little endian. Oh, maybe I should be. Where's this coming from again? Right, I need to go into byte string. Haskell byte string. I keep forgetting where all these functions are coming from. What? How do you not find anything? Where? Oh, it's coming from the builder, right? This is annoying. Why is there no link to take me to the top? I have to delete like the actually. I have to edit the URL to go to the package root. And there's no builder here. Okay. Building byte strings. Haskell builder. Byte string dot builder. Okay. Int 8, int 30. Yeah, this is what I'm looking for. It should be uint 32. Word 32. Int 32 little endian. Int 32 LE. Location suffix. What's wrong with this? Oh, does Haskell not have? Do I need brackets or something? And must be implemented as a function or something. That's probably why. Will it work? Int 32 LE. No, oh, no. It should be word 32 LE. Still doesn't make a difference. With actual type could not match word 32 with. I have an idea. I don't think it will work, but not going to stop me from trying. Prefix takes a word, is a word. Word 8. Please cast, please. It doesn't know what word 8 is. Where is this coming from? Data.word. Okay. I'm okay. So the prefix needs to be there because we're comparing it earlier. Like, yeah, we're comparing it with a byte string, so we need to leave the prefix as is. So let's just call it. Okay. You know what? I'll do a where thing here. Where location prefix. That's location block prefix equals 16. Oh, forget how where bindings work. Oh, shoot. What's wrong here? Oh, we're expecting a double. Oh, it's a double. Okay, we're gonna have to change that. Let's just agree to disagree with the compiler here. Okay, that didn't fix anything. Oh, yep. I know what's wrong. We're not passing in a byte string, right? So yeah, that's why it broke. Expose. Why is that returning a double? It should be. Oh. Okay. I did not know that it was that high precision. Yeah. So a float is 32-bit and a double is 64-bit. So when we're taking out a float 64-bit, it's a double, as you can see in the type analog. Yeah, in the type signature. Cool. Now I can do parse location. Parse message con, I don't need the connection. WS.binary B. This is so repetitive. B is I think there's an ends with thing in byte string. Hold on. Byte string, and then I can look at ends with. Nope. There's a starts with thing. I remember seeing a starts with. Is suffix up, right? Let's not do this. Yeah, okay. Let's do this instead. Let's use. Let's get rid of this. Don't need that. Is suffix of takes two byte strings. The first. Okay. Location prefix. Oh, I guess we need to check both of them. Yeah. Okay. Let's do that. This is hideous. Float BE. No, float LE. Yep, both are right. It should be infix, right? Yep. Let's do that. Oh, it's nice that they pointed this out because no amount of type checking is going to save you from that error. I wonder if there's some trick to make it faster. That is so tedious. What else? Let's go back. If his location be do something. His location parse location. Oh shoot, I forgot. How do I tell if something actually? Oh, I need to run it. I need to run get. It's either byte offset or okay. I need to run the parser. Takes a byte string, takes a get. I need to do it differently. I need to do run get or fail, and I need to import that as well. Import data.binary.get. I need to pass in a get. So parse location, and I need to pass in the byte string. I can do left. If it's left, I don't care. I seriously don't care. No, I need to parse right. That's the only time I care to do anything. Right. Looks like it tells me where it matched and stuff. What I really want is an X and a Y. I realize I'm destructuring it for no reason, but I just want to see if it works. Oh wow, it actually compiled. I thought there would be like a few mistakes here and there. Sorry about the connection. Let's open up our DevTools and oh, I haven't closed the browser since last time. Yeah, I keep alt tabbing for no reason. I need this, and I'll just set X and Y as necessary. Set 0 is a new data buffer. X and Y. I'm scared. Okay. I hope this works. 0, send 1 and 1. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. I messed up somewhere. So I think what happened is his location didn't get parsed. Oh, didn't work. So we need to. I saw this earlier with the null. I need to check out that function again. Is location. Location is prefix of BS. Yeah. Word 8. Makes sense. Yeah. This is why. No amount of type checking is going to save me from that. Let's try it again. That's not to say it's useless. I mean, it saved me a lot. Well, I mean, yeah, it saved me a bunch of time not having to write tests and stuff. Oh, yay! It worked. Nice. Okay. I think I'm gonna take a break now. Maybe finish off that essay.